Hello everyone! So, the people have spoken and the majority of people chose the E90. Somehow I kind of knew this would happen, don't ask me why. So I'm going to start to refurbish this phone. Until next time, choose which one of these should I do next. Let the voting begin and let's get to work. Taking all this out of the way. So this phone has a broken front display and this connector housing, if I'm saying correctly, it's shattered here. And believe it or not, the front display and connector housing is compatible from the Nokia E51. I'm going to take the display from this one and only the plastic part of the connector. And yeah, this one it's brain dead, broken mainboard, so why not? Let's begin. Yeah, this is the condition of the main board. Let's put it aside. The hinges were already loosened. Is this a staple? There we go, the speakers. Okay, phew. The flash is in one piece this time, yay. Easy. Well, the display is already broken, so no need to be careful with that now. Put it in one piece, good. The earpiece. Okay, this one was more. Good, still in one piece this thing. Just take this off here. Easy. Usually you can hit this thing up and pull it then, but nah, I just pull it like this, which is not too healthy actually. Good, this is the big display. Before I get to clean it, I'm also going to disassemble the E51 to take the components that I need from it. Okay, let's see here now. Is this the display? Pretty much. This is where the headphone jack goes. This is gonna be a bit of a challenge for me, but let's see what I can do. Well, my whole desk is a mess right now, and you can see why. I've managed to take off the connector This was a E51, also damaged. Also I managed to damage this in the process, but I managed to stick it here. From the outside it looks good, which is all that it matters. I'll get to cleaning and be right back with the whole process of taking this off. God help me. So unfortunately I saw this. I wanted to detach this connector slot and put on this one, but the problem is that this thing here, see this? I don't know what this is, but it's broken. And the phone works, but I just can't put it like this. I'm going to keep this for now. But I managed to find late this night another seller with this phone that starts up, but it doesn't show the display anymore after it starts up, and the display here has some dead pixels. Also it's has some problems here, but this one apparently has that whatever that is there. Yeah, it has this apparently. Maybe it's also damaged, I don't know anymore. So I'll take the main board from this one and hope for the best. I'll be right back after I clean all these parts. I'm not going to show how I also going to disassemble this one, because you already know how it is. Also the hinges looks a lot better. Yeah, I'm going to take these hinges. Well, finally cleaned the parts. Now it's time to get to work. So let's begin with this boy. Let's connect the big display, good, and also these ones. Good. Now let's put this here, little display. Okay, good enough. Now, let's put this aside for now. like this. Careful now when I push those so that they don't hit those tiny cables. Something like this. Good. Pretty much in place. Now to put the keyboard in its place. Good. Now we just put the buttons back in their place. Why is there a sticker over the logo? Yep, Nokia E90, good. So yeah, believe it or not, I've stayed 5 days to get the necessary tools, to get the necessary parts, to buy another E90 damaged, to fail. I'm completely mentally destroyed. Yeah, at least it works. So yeah, this was the refurbished video of the E90. I've stayed too long on it, and right now I'm going to pick one of the other phones, one of these phones that I given you options. Now I really want to make the N86 because I've craved for this phone for a while. So I'll do this phone, and until next time, after this video, choose one of these phones. The N86 is next, just so you know. Again, this was a nightmare. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I personally didn't. My god, why do I feel the need to kill someone? after I looked in the mirror. Yeah, well, I wish you a very awesome day, just like yourselves, but not like I had these days. Bye bye.